Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we've got an old drawer that is seeing better days and needs some repairs. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to, on the inside of the drawer, take some of these little pieces of wood here. I'm just going to put them in and give the drawer a little bit of strength. So we'll glue it and nail it in. So what we'll do first is run a couple of beads of glue on everything. And then we'll just nail it. Alright, so there you have it. Just put the wood in, nail it in place, both sides. Watch your fingers, alright? You can use screws if you want. Air nailers are the easiest to deal with. And then on the front, where you've got some nail holes, you can easily just fill those and just repaint it or stain it. Or if they're pretty small, you might not even notice them at all if it's like a regular varnish finish. Alright, so hopefully it'll save you a little bit of cash and eke out a few more years out of that crappy old dresser. So anyway, thanks for watching.